Want to create text tracking like this?
Yeah, I said do that, baby, all night long. And I'ma turn off all my phones.
Let's get started. First, import your video and music into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio. And remove the original sound if your video has audio. Next, go to the caption menu and select Auto Lyrics. Then click Generate. After that, go to the template menu to customize the appearance of your lyric text. Once you're done, select all the text layers. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. If you want to edit the text again, simply double-click the compound clip. Then click this button to return to the main timeline. Next, go to the tracking menu and select Motion Tracking. Place the reference point on the object or person you want to track. Then click Start. To make the text more visually appealing, go to the Animation menu. Select Flip 6 under the Combo section. Adjust the text position if needed. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your text tracking effect is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.